Hello and welcome to math lesson number 31. So first of all guys, can we all turn to camera and say a big hello to our friends? Hello. And we'll begin with our meditation sequence. So let's find a seat, straighten our backs, 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap and close our eyes. And when you're ready guys, slowly open your eyes and come back to the room. Okay? And next we'll do our stretch sequence. So please stand up and push in your chairs. And let's stretch high. And then let's touch our toes, go down low and touch our toes. And we'll go high again. And this time, can we go tippy toe high? High as we can. And then back down to our toes. Up again. And this time left and right. Left and right. Forwards and backwards. Forwards and backwards. And hands on hips. And let's give a little wiggle. Another little wiggle. Shake our arms. And then left leg a kick. And right leg. Excellent guys. And to finish we'll do 5 claps. Great stuff. So math lesson number 31. Does anybody remember what we've been learning in math the last couple of lessons? Length. Excellent. How do we spell length? L-E-N-G-T-H. Length. Okay? Or we could have lengths with S. And specifically, what we've been looking at is the different, remember, units of length. Does anybody remember the very small one? The smallest unit of length? It's abbreviation MM. Anybody remember? Millimeter, exactly. M-I-L-L-I-M-E-T-E-R. millimeter. Millimeter. And next one, excellent, centimeter, which we abbreviate with cm. Centimeter. Meter. And then meter. How do we spell meter? M-E-T-E-R. Okay. Millimeter, centimeter, and meter. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at relationship between lengths. Relationship between, and now we have three of them, lengths. Okay, so let's just put a blue under the title, relationship between lengths. Millimeter. 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter. Okay? But then, how many centimeters equals 1 meter?
100.
100 centimeters equals 1 meter. So, if teacher Wes says 500 millimeters equals how many centimeters? 500 millimeters equals 50 centimeters. How many 500 millimeters does not yet make any meters, so we don't need, okay? But if teacher Wes says 2 meters, how many centimeters in 2 meters?
200 centimeters.
Excellent. If 100 centimeters equals 1 meter, 2 meters, we'll go down a scale this time, equals 200 centimeters. And how many millimeters? 2,000. We go down, we go from 2 meters, 200 centimeters, and 2,000 millimeters. You see, this is the relationship between lengths. 10 millimeters. 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters. 1 meter. 2 meters. 200 centimeters. 2,000 millimeters. Excellent. Round of applause, guys. That's good. Who's ready to play a game? Me. Okay. So now, teacher Wes will write a unit of length on the board. Okay? You have to convert it into the other units. So we'll rub off what we've got. We'll leave the example. We'll just rub off the bottom bits. Okay. Close your eyes, please. Close your eyes. So first of all, teacher Wes has to write. Okay, I know. We'll go with open your eyes. Who has the pen? Pak Bung, please come forward. So teacher Wes has written What can we see? 1,000 millimeters. 1,000 millimeters. You can write the comma too, thank you. You can write for me. Comma for 1,000. How many centimeters in 1,000 millimeters? You can help.
100. 100. And 1 meter.
I'm going to say, does that equal a meter?
Equal 1 meter.
Okay. Don't forget your cm. Don't forget cm for centimeters. Equals.
1 meter. 1 meter.
Okay. So that's the basic outline. That's a good one to start. 1,000 millimeters
1,000 millimeter.
equals 100 centimeters
Equal 100 centimeter.
equals 1 meter.
Equal 1 meter.
This is the same length. Everything is the same, but it's different units of length. Okay? High five. Round of applause for Pak Boom. So take a look. Make sure you remember your frame of reference. 1,000 millimeters, 100 centimeters, 1 meter. Eyes, please, guys. Open your eyes. Okay, so now, what do we have here, Pangpon? 50 centimeters equals how many millimeters?
500.
Just 500. Remember, 100 centimeters is 1,000. So 50 centimeters is how many millimeters? 500.
500.
Okay, can you write?
500
Millimeters. Don't forget, because I won't know what it is. Is this 500 meters? Yes, you need to write your abbreviation. Okay, excellent. High five. But we won't stop there. Can we make any meters? Do we have enough length to make a meter yet? No. 500 millimeters equals 50 centimeters. So what we could say, half. 0.5. Don't worry too much, this is a fraction of a meter, but you can see it's half a meter. So we would say 0.5. So round of applause for Pangpon. And we'll do one more before our PowerPoint presentation. Let's see if we can make this one. Okay, let's open our eyes, guys. Nadia, hello. Okay, so which unit has Teacher Wes written on the board?
3 meters.
3 meters. So let's say, okay, 3 meters is how many centimeters?
300 centimeters.
Is it? I don't know. I forget. 300 centimeters.
3,000 millimeters. Equal 3,000
Millimeter. mm. You can see here, this is the, imagine there's 3 lines here. So, Nadia, 3 meters equals 300 centimeters equals 3,000 millimeters. Millimeters. Meters, centimeters, millimeters. High five, round of applause. Okay, so what we've done there is a brief board exercise just to show the students the relationship between the different units of length. This is the same length. 3,000 millimeters is the same as 300 centimeters, is the same as 3 meters. It's the same length, but different units of length to mark it. And what we'll do now is we'll look at the PowerPoint presentation to better understand the different relationships between units of length. So turn to look at the TV screen, please, guys. Okay, so today's PowerPoint presentation, ready guys? Relationship between units and lengths. Number 2. Okay, so let's begin. Can you see the picture at the top? We have a rope. We call a length of rope. The length of this rope is 130 centimeters. So now, if we break that down into meters and centimeters, what do we think? How many meters can we make with 130 centimeters?
1 meter and 30 centimeters.
Excellent. You see, we have enough 130 centimeters. 100 centimeters is 1 meter. But then we have 30 centimeters left over. So we can say 1 meter and 30 centimeters.
1 meter and 30 centimeters.
Excellent. You see, with a meter ruler, we would take the first part to measure 1 meter. 100 centimeters is 1 meter. But then we still have some left over. We have the second part, 30 centimeters. So 1 meter, 30 centimeters. You see? One meter,
1 meter,
30 centimeters.
30 centimeters.
Okay, next one. You see how it's made up? 130 centimeters is 100 centimeters plus another 30 centimeters. And we've already learned that 100 centimeters is 1 meter. So that's why we can say the length of the rope is 1 meter, 30 centimeters. How about this one? 1 meter, 3 centimeters.
1 meter, 3 centimeters.
How many centimeters in 1 meter and 3 centimeters?
103 centimeters.
Excellent. 103. 103 centimeters. We know the 100 centimeters is 1 meter, but we have 3 centimeters left over. We can't just ignore, we still need to carry. So 1 meter, 3 centimeters is 103 centimeters. Okay, guys? Understand? Good. Now let's practice. Let's see if we can work these ones out for ourselves. 1 meter.
1 meter.
How many centimeters?
100 centimeters.
1 meter is 100 centimeters. And how many millimeters?
1,000 centimeters.
But if we already have 100 centimeters, no millimeters left. You see? 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. And then that's finished, final. There'll be no millimeters because 100 centimeters is 1 meter. How about 16 centimeters? How many millimeters? 10 millimeters is 1 centimeter. So how many millimeters is 16 centimeters? 160. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters.
10 millimeters.
So 16 centimeters, 16 times 10, 160. So you see, 16 centimeters is 160 millimeters. We do the calculation, 16 times 10. How about 20 centimeters? How many millimeters? 200. You see, it's 20 times 10. We can do the equation based on the units of length. And the last one for the slide, 500 millimeters. Remember, 10 millimeters, 1 centimeter. So 500 millimeters.
50 centimeters.
Excellent, Prel. Actually, we did this one on the board. Pak Boom, you did this one on the board, remember? Yes. So 500 millimeters equals 50 centimeters. Remember to go down. Excellent, guys. Well done. Welcome back to class. We hope you enjoyed the PowerPoint presentation, which gives a better idea of the relationship between the different types of lengths. And what we're going to do now, just to make sure that our students understand the concept, is we're going to do more of the board activity we were doing before the PowerPoint. So guys, close your eyes and we'll see who knows the relationship between lengths. So let's see, we'll go with open your eyes. Pat, come and join teacher. Now we have 3,000 milliliters. Remember, 10 milliliters, 10 millimeters, 1 centimeter. So how many centimeters for 3,000 millimeters? 300. Okay, excellent. 300 cm for. Excellent. So now, have we got enough to put into the meter column too? We have. So 300 centimeters is 3 meters. Yeah. And then M for meter. Excellent. Pat, well done. High five. Round of applause for Pat. So are you feeling confident now? Shall we get them a little bit harder? Who wants a hard one? Okay. Shall we see? Prel, I think you understand already. So how about if teacher Wes writes, let's see, what can we do? Come and join. 250 centimeters. So now not just 200, not 300, now we're somewhere in between. 250 centimeters. First of all, how many millimeters? If 300 centimeters,
500 millimeter.
how many? You can write for me. See, 300 centimeters is 3,000 millimeters. So 250 centimeters, not quite 3,000, but more than 2,000, it's in the middle. Excellent. How many millimeters?
2,500 millimeter.
And now, how about meters? Don't worry, it's okay. You can do here. 2 meters. That's it. Excellent. You see, we know 200 centimeters is 2 meters, but we've got our 50 centimeters left over. We can't just forget. We need to take with us, so 250 centimeters becomes
2 meter and 50 centimeter.
excellent. High five. Rounds of applause for Prel. Okay, we'll do a couple more before worksheets to make sure you understand. But everyone's doing a great job so far. Everybody understands. This time, close our eyes, guys. Open our eyes. Ned, come and join teacher. Let's see. Ned, so, can we say 40 millimeters? How many millimeters make 1 centimeter? 10. So we've got 40 millimeters. How many centimeters? 4 centimeters. Can you write? Okay, you can write. Equals 4 centimeters. centimeters. Okay? Do we have enough for meters? No, it's very small. Very small. 4 centimeters. Net, high five. Round of applause for Net. That one was a very small amount to make sure that you know that we don't need to always go into meters. Okay, let's close our eyes one more time. I think this time we'll do a big amount. Open your eyes. Down. Come and join teacher. Okay, so we've gone from very small, 40 millimeters. Now we have 15 meters. So let's begin down by going from meters to centimeters. How many centimeters in 15 meters?
1,500 centimeters.
Good. And then don't forget cm. So we need to know what we're writing about. So very good so far. So 15 meters is 1,500 centimeters. But how many millimeters?
15,000.
Excellent, Sam. So we have
15 meters. 1,500 centimeters. 15,000 millimeters.
millimeters. Excellent. High five. Round of applause for down. Okay, so I think we're ready. But first of all, we need to do our stretch activity. So everybody stands up. And we'll begin by rolling our wrists. Rolling our wrists, because we're going to do some writing. So let's exercise our wrists. And we'll shake our hands. Shake our hands. Move from side to side. Let's go high. Let's go low. Let's go side to side. Let's go up and down, up and down, up and down. And hug. Out. Hug. Out. Hug. Down. Up and out. Down and up. And let's walk on the spot for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And to finish, we'll have 5-star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Well done. And now it's time for our worksheet activity. So teachers, you'll need to have printed this off prior to the lesson and have one for each student. It's a series of 8 questions where they need to convert the different units of length into the equation. Like the first one, 37 millimeters is 3 centimeters, and how many millimeters left over? Similar to what we've been doing on the board. So give one to each student and ask them to write their names on the top.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Okay. And give your students around 15 minutes to complete this worksheet activity. And obviously monitor the class. Any questions, any help they need, you're there to assist. So guys. So, first one, 37 millimeters. Let's do the example. 37 millimeters is 3 centimeters. So that's 30. And we have 7 millimeters left over. You see? 37 millimeters. And then, so you can make 3 centimeters, but you have 7 millimeters left over. You still need to include. Excellent, Nadia. That's perfect. No, let go. No. You need to delete everything. .37 millimeters. So how many millimeters in 1 centimeter? No, you don't remember. Excellent, yes, 88 millimeters. You see, 10 millimeters is 1 centimeter, so 88 millimeters, 8 centimeters, and 8 millimeters left over. Excellent, Nadia. Okay, so let's do it together. 4,060 millimeters. So, 4,000 millimeters is 4 meters. And 60 millimeters is 6
centimeter.
Yes, because 10 millimeters is 1 centimeter. So 60 millimeters, 6 centimeters. So 4 meters, 6 centimeters. Okay, remember. Guys, remember, 10 millimeters, 1 centimeter. 1 meter, 100 centimeters. And 1 meter, 1,000. So you need to convert the different lengths. Okay. $25,000, no, 26, 25, and then 190 mil. 10 millimeters is how many centimeters? 1. So 190 millimeters. 19, not 9, 19. You see? 25. And then
This is
190 millimeters. So we've done this one now. 25,000 millimeters, 25 meters. So now you have 190 millimeters. How many centimeters? 19, exactly. Excellent. Not 2. How many do we have left over? Not 2. What's this figure? What's this figure? 8. Perfect. 2, number 3, perfect. Very good. 88 millimeters, 8 centimeters, correct. But what's left over? Not 9 millimeters, 8 millimeters. Perfect. 190 millimeters, 19. Understand already, okay. Now you understand. Okay. No. What number is this?
8.
8, okay. Four meters. How many centimeters? 4 meters. If 1 meter is 100 centimeters, how many centimeters is 4 meters? 1 times 4. 400. 1 meter, 100 centimeters. 4 meters, 400 centimeters. You see? 4 meters, 400 centimeters. 67 meters. 67 meters, if 15 meters is 1,500. Nadia? 67 meters, is that right?
No.
67 meters. So we start with 15 meters, 1,500. So 67 meters, 6,700 centimeters. You see? Perfect. Excellent. Nearly 9,784 centimeters. 97 meters. You forgot the 7. Excellent. 67, number 8. 67 meters, not 670 centimeters, 6,700. Go bigger. This is perfect. 25,000 millimeters, 25 meters, but then not 9 centimeters, 190, 19. 6, perfect. 97. 4 meters, nope. Number 7, just have a see number. If number 7, 2, pardon, if, where are we? 100 centimeters is 1 meter. 400 centimeters, we have to times by 4. 1 times 4, 400. Okay? Excellent, you see? Yes, yes. These are very good, guys. Excellent. 67 meters, so Yes, you see, don't, this is perfect. 2,500 millimeters, 25 meters. So then, 190 millimeters, not 9. We need 19, 1 in front of 9. 19. 9 is fine, but it needs the 1. Who is this? Okay, so number 7. Excellent. Okay, everybody very good. Net, how we doing? Yes. Yes. You understand these are the same lengths. It's the same, but measured differently. Like Teacher Wes can say 10 centimeters is 100 millimeters. It's the same, but measured differently. 20 centimeters, 200 millimeters. It's the same. Perfect. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed working out the worksheet activity with the various questions. Our class did, they had a good time. Some of them were quite difficult, so you need to explain how it's the same length, but we need to treat it differently depending on the different units. Millimeters, guys? Millimeters. Centimeters. Centimeter. And meters. Excellent. So we hope you've enjoyed the lesson and we'll see you again for the next one. So can we turn and wave bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.